to share with you, and I cannot let this moment pass. Today, Whiskey Academy is 11 years old, and I am proud to say that I was a part of this 11th year. As part of the 11th Foundation Day, the students of Whiskey Academy had prepared a mini concert to show off their talents and for everyone to see how talented they are. We are really proud of these talented students of Whiskey Academy. I am proud of what we have achieved, and I am pleased with our progress. This concert is a chance for our students to perform together and to show off for each other. It is also a chance for them to get a taste of the music and to see what kind of performances they may be involved in when they get to high school. There is no greater show of solidarity than children singing and dancing. As I draw to a close, I would like to take this chance to thank and pray and pay tribute to the true trailblazers of Whiskey Academy, our dear teachers. Thank you for being the teachers of our children. In my heart and mind, you have blazed a lasting trail of passion for knowledge and excellence. Without you, these kids will never be as talented as they are right now. Finally,